After installing Chevrolet wheel spacers, the stock stud may cause the wheel nut to sit flush against the hub assembly. Actually, there are two situations in that you don't need to turn wheel stud for Chevrolet wheel spacers. Take a look at the inside of your wheels, then measure the cavity in your wheels to check out how much it will allow for the stud to go past the spacer's outer surface. For example, if the depth of the wheel pocket is 10 mm and the stud length is 25 mm, then the minimum thickness of the wheel spacers that will perfectly fit is 15 mm. If the cavity is not deep enough, then you need to cut the stock stud. Is it safe to cut stock stud for 20mm Chevrolet Cruze wheel spacers? Yes, as long as you operate correctly and ensure a full thread engagement. Cutting studs to fit 20mm Chevrolet Cruze wheel spacers is safe and reliable. The extant part of the Chevrolet Cruze stock studs are not subject to process. This means you can cut that part down with no problems. Since the spacer is secured by the OEM stud and the wheel is fastened by the provided stud of the wheel spacer, guiding OEM studs to fit 20mm Chevrolet Cruze wheel spacers will not threaten the thread engagement and weaken the strength. BONOSS 20mm Chevrolet Cruze wheel spacers provide ISO 12.9 wheel stud and ISO grade 10 leg nuts to ensure a strong connection. All BONOSS wheel spacers are supplied with SGS and TV reports. These BONOSS wheel studs are strong enough to bear more forces. BONOSS Chevrolet Cruze wheel spacers focus on quality and performance and are very strict with materials and manufacturing process. The wheel studs of wheel spacers are whole round head. This is because BONOSS wheel spacers are made of high-strength 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum alloy materials. The forging process makes the firmware process in the Chevrolet Cruze wheel spacers. You don't need to worry about any loss issues.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.